Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Let me show you the easiest way to force restart your iPad Pro when it's frozen.
If we want to force restart the iPad when it's frozen or stuck and not working, what will we do to get it back up and running, as a last resort to regain control and resolve the issue quickly? We have to access the volume buttons and power buttons simultaneously to proceed with the force restart process now. We will press and instantly release the upper volume button, then press and release the lower volume button, and finally press the power button for a long time to initiate the force restart, until the slide to power off message appears, indicating the iPad is responding to our actions and will shut down, which is what we want to see, confirming our force restart is taking effect normally. When the slide to power off message appears, we can release the power button and then swipe to confirm, allowing the iPad to power off completely, which is a necessary step to restart it, and we'll do this by swiping here to shut it down. After that, we need to press the power button on the side, previously known as the home button on other models, to turn it back on and complete the restart. Until and unless the Apple logo appears here, confirming the iPad has successfully completed its forced restart process. In this way, we can successfully force restart our iPad and get it working again when it's unresponsive. Restarting your iPad Pro is a breeze. Check the description for a discount. Like and subscribe.